Good morning, students. Let's we do the practical sum on working capital management. That is we known as estimated working capital management. Now first what we will do first we will read the question, analyze the question. After that we do the solution. So let's see what question said. Question says that following data provided by the Tata Limited from that estimated working capital requirement for the year ended 31st March 2022. So first information is given, estimated activity operation for the year 5,20,000 units and bracket में दिया 52 weeks. So what happened in this case, we will find out the per week unit. Okay. After that, raw material remaining stock for 4 weeks and production cycle takes 4 weeks. Now production cycle is nothing but the what? Work in progress, and we know that work in progress, raw material, labor and overhead. After that, finished goods remaining in stock for 4 weeks. So finished goods means the goods which are ready for sale remain 4 weeks. 4 weeks credit is allowed to suppliers. Supplier means what? Creditors. That means we are paying the money after 4 weeks. 8 weeks credit is allowed to debtors. That means we are getting the money after selling the goods on credit after 8 weeks. Time lag in payment of wages and overhead is 4 weeks each. Time lag means what? Outstanding. So outstanding payment, wages and overhead is in 4 weeks each. Cash and bank balance to be maintained 50,000. So minimum balance 50,000 is given. Selling price per unit is given 30. Selling price per given 30. Analyze the cost per unit as follows. Raw material 33.33 of sales. Okay. Labor and overhead in the ratio 6:4 and profit is at rupees 10 per unit. So all this given. So first we will prepare the cost sheet. Now what is small cost here? Format, raw material. Second, labor. Third, overhead. So A, B and C. Okay. So A plus B plus, so we get total D, and E for profit and F for selling price. So raw material, labor, overhead, total cost. We add profit, then we will get a selling price. Okay. So in this case, what is given to us? 30. So 30 is given to us, and that is given. G for given. Now how much that profit is given? Profit is at 10 per unit. So how much given? So profit is 10. So can you find out total cost? Can you find out total cost? Is. How to find out total cost? 30 minus 10? 20. So this is a balancing figure. Okay. This is a given. 30 is given, 10 is given. So 30 minus 10, 20. We got. That is a balancing figure. Now in this case, they have given raw material 33.33 of sales. So this raw material is on sales. How much percent? 33.33. Now when you take the 33.33 of 30, you will get the 10. How much you will get? 10. So these are 10. Okay. So in this way you got 10. Labor and overhead. Labor and 6:4. So 6:4. Now 20 minus 10. How much remaining? Balance figure 10. And 10, 20 minus 10, 10. Now this 10 is divided between the labor and overhead in the ratio of 6:4. So here we will be get 6 and here we will get the 4. How much here will get? 6. How much here will get the 4? So 10 plus 6 plus 4, how much you will get? 20. So in this way, first we have to prepare the cost sheet. So we got raw material rate 10, labor rate 6, overhead rate 4 and total cost 20, profit 10 and selling price we got 30. So in this way we prepare the cost sheet. Now let's we prepare the estimated working capital. What you have to prepare? Estimated working capital. Estimated working capital. So working capital. Okay, first. So, particular and amount. First we write the current asset. What we write? Current asset. Under this first we write the stock. What we write? The stock. Now stock may calculate into and into. Now we want, first we will calculate the per week unit. Per week unit. Now how much you total operation for the year? 5,20,000. How much given? 5,20,000. And how many weeks is given? 52. So 52 and 51. So how much coming? 10,000. So per week how much we are getting? 10,000. So 5,20,000 divided 52, we got 10,000. So this 10,000. Now in this case we will get the total unit. How many unit? 10,000. Okay. How many unit? 10,000. And what is the rate given to us? Raw material 10. How much given? 10. And what is the period? What is period is given? Raw material remain stock 4 weeks. How much remain? 4 weeks. So 10,000 into 10 into 4. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 4, 4 lakhs. So in this way we got the amount which we require for the stock 4 lakhs. So this is a unit. This is a, what is the rate? And this is a period. So unit into rate into period. Unit into rate into period, we will get the total amount 4 lakhs. So in this way stock we got the 4 lakhs. So this is the first item. Second item, always work in progress. What is that? Work in progress. So first item, always raw material. What is raw material? Second item, labor. And third item, overhead. So again raw material. Raw material कितना है? 10,000 unit. Okay. Raw material rate, again we take the 10,000. And how much? Raw material for in work in progress. See, the production cycle takes 4 weeks. So again we got the 4 weeks. So again 4 weeks. So again how much? 4 lakhs. So in this way got the raw material under work in progress 4 lakh. After that, labor. Unit how much? 10,000. Okay, labor rate is given. How much labor rate is there? See the here. How much is given? 6. How much is given? How much given? 6. So rate is a 6. Into period. How much period is a 4. And उसका क्या लेना है? 50%. 50%. So 1 upon 2. Labor and overhead is always 50% of the amount. See that I am repeating. Labor and overhead is always 50% of the amount. So 10,000 into 6, 60,000. 60,000 into 4, 60,000 into 4, 2,40,000 and 2,40,000 and divide by 2, because labor and overhead is always 50% of the amount. So divide by 2. So how much coming? 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay. After that, overhead. How much overhead is coming? Again, amount how much? 10,000. What is the rate? Overhead 4. Okay. What is the rate? 4. And what is the period? 4. Again, this is a divided by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. So 10,000 into 4, 40,000. 40,000 into 4. 40,000 into 4 divided by 2. How much? 80,000. How much? 80,000. So in this way, this amount we got work in progress. This is work in progress amount. Okay. After that, we get a finished goods. Which goods? finished goods. We take the finished good. Now finished good how much given? Finished goods remain in stock for 4 weeks. How many weeks? 4 weeks. So how much unit we have? 10,000 unit. Now finished goods stock remain in 4 weeks. So finished goods का rate कितना दिया है? 20. Finished goods always depend on total cost. Finished goods always remain on total cost कितना? 20. Now what is the rate is given? Finished goods rate is given 20 and how the period is given? 4. How much period is given? 4. So 20 into 10,000. So how much? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 4. How much? 2 lakhs into 4, 8 lakhs. How much? 8 lakhs will come here. So 10,000 into 80 is equal to 8 lakhs. So finished goods. After finished goods, we will take the debtors. What will take the debtors? How much debtors we have? How much debtors we have? So debtors allow 8 weeks. How many weeks? 8 weeks. So again 10,000 unit. Okay, 8 week is a period. 8 weeks period. And what the rate is given? Debtors के लिए कौन सा रेट होता है? हमें selling price. How much selling price? 30. So debtors always depend on selling price. Total cost always depend on total cost. So debtors 10,000 into 30 into 8. So 10,000 into 30 into 8. 2,40,000. How much? 10,000 into 30 into 8. 24 lakhs. How much coming? 24 lakhs. So 24 lakhs. So after debtors, we will take the cash. How much? Cash. Cash is already given in the question. Given. We write the given. How much given in the question? 50,000. How much? 50,000. Now, this is all about the current asset. We will take the all current asset total now. So 4 lakh plus 4 lakhs, 8 lakh. 8 lakhs plus 1 lakh 20. This 2 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus this 18 lakhs. So 18 lakhs. So 18 lakhs plus 24 lakhs. 18 lakhs plus 24 lakhs, 42 lakhs plus 50,000. So 4 lakh 50,000, 42 lakhs 50,000, 42 lakhs 50,000 total current asset. So this is our current asset. Okay, current asset. Now this is about all current asset. Now we will do the less liabilities. We have to do less liability. Now come to the less liability. So what is that there? First, current liability. I will write here. Less current liabilities. So current liabilities, how much? First we will take the creditors. What will take the creditors? Creditors, how to find again? Now 10,000 unit. Raw material rate kitna? 10. So 10,000 into 10,000 into 10 rate. And what the period is given? 4 weeks. How much? 4 weeks. So 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 4, 4 lakhs. So this will come 4 lakhs. How many lakhs? 4 lakhs. So creditors is getting amount 4 lakhs. After that, they told us that time lag in payment and wages over is 4 weeks. That is called outstanding. What is that? Outstanding. What is that? Wages and overhead. Wages means what? This. Labor and overhead. So what happened? First we will take the wages. Wages. So 10,000 unit. 10,000 unit. What is the rate of labor? 6. 6. And what is the outstanding period is given? Outstanding period is given 4 weeks. So here is a 4 week. Okay. So 10,000 into 6, 60,000. Okay. 60,000 into 4. Into 4. How much? 2,40,000. So this is 4 lakh. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. After that we got the overhead. So again overhead same. Overhead. So 10,000 into how much? Rate 4. Okay, how much here? 4. Rate is 4. How much period? 4. Period also 4. So 10,000 into 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 10, 1,60,000. 1,60,000. So in this way, we got all the current liability total. So 4 lakhs. See this 4 lakhs. We write here again 4 lakhs plus how much? 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Again how much? 1,60,000 and total. So 0, 0 plus 4 plus 4, 8 lakhs. Okay, this is our current liability. What is that? Current liability. And we know that. What do we know that? Current asset minus current liability is equal to working capital. So 42,50,000. This 42,50,000 minus how much we got here? 8 lakhs. So 42,50,000 minus how much we are getting? 8 lakhs. How much we are getting? 8 lakhs. So what is our current liability? 4250 minus 8. 42,50,000. 42,50,000 minus 8 lakhs is equal to 34,50,000. 34,50,000 is our estimated working capital. So this is our answer. 34,50,000 is our answer. Practice this sum and all the best for your exam.